Welcome to Haugen Racing, guys. So after reacting to a mod to Hum, look at the freaking flames coming out, like I said, and also checking out Red Bull Car Park Drift, look at this thing. I really wanted to go try car park drift for myself, but unfortunately I could not find any like tracks that were just like that. But we have seen Red Bull drift shifters come up in the reaction videos as well, and they actually do have one of those available and it looks pretty sick. So today, doing Red Bull drift shifters. I tried finding something similar to one of my cars. I found a VDC R32, kind of like what we're building, but yeah. I've not driven this car before, I've not driven this track before, so we're really set up for success here.
Great success!
Alright, I'm just gonna go for a quick run to kind of feel the car out, feel the track out, and then we'll kind of roll through it and check it out. Where's reverse? Oh! Oh, here's this little thing. Terrible first run, but we learned some things. God, Arizona, I'm so tired of this humidity, I can't even get through a run. I want to change the gearing up a little bit.
Lot of boring math later.
Let's go kind of scope the track out. So I don't know if there's like a certain layout you're supposed to do. I actually never really watched this event. I've seen replays and stuff. So I kind of have seen like what some people do, but I know you end there. Obviously you start back there. And I guess I think it's kind of like a free-for-all. So you got you get points for your proximity to stuff. Obviously they want high angle through here, which is cool, makes sense. There's proximity sensors. Again on here, the nice little hanging Red Bull, the Hummer, and then this one. So I think the rest of it is just kind of free-for-all. And it's just kind of how you connect it all, so. Let's give her another go. We switched our gearing up. Okay, I think I might have went too far in the gearing. God, the fogging! This is a frustrating video, you guys. I thought this would be really fun. I'm gonna give it one more and see if I can't like get a salvageable run here. I mean, I've had like all the pieces there, I just haven't pieced the whole run together. I mean, I'll take it only because I'm super frustrated. Let's try it again. No! I'm embarrassing myself in front of this entire crowd. No, just all of YouTube. Yeah, I'm ending it on that, guys. I mean, I got tons of excuses, but yeah. Go check out our other sim videos. I have ones where I do get successes. This one was not one of them. Hope you overall enjoyed the video, and we'll see you guys in a couple days. Hit that subscribe button. Peace.